What is the role of iron deficiency in hair loss? Often in the Indian setting, we see people having iron deficiency as a main reason for loss of hair. What is the role of this iron in our hair growth? Iron is a very important part of hemoglobin which is present in our red blood cell. So, this hemoglobin is very important for the delivery of oxygen to each and every cell. Be it is a skin cell or it's a hair follicle, oxygen is very important for the cell to function. So, this hemoglobin which contains this iron helps in delivering the oxygen to each and every cell. So, in iron deficiency, the percentage of hemoglobin actually comes down. So, the delivery of oxygen to cell, whether it is a skin cell or whether it is a hair follicle, comes down, and hence the cell probably doesn't function well and it will lead to the loss of hair. Why do we have this iron deficiency? Iron deficiency is most seen in women in our country. So, especially in the teenage or during pregnancy or after childbirth. So, this we call as vulnerable period where most often iron deficiency is seen. Iron deficiency is also seen whenever diet is deficient or we have excess blood loss, whether it could be due to trauma or can be the blood which is lost during the menstrual cycle or the blood which is lost during childbirth. And also the hookworm infestation is also one of the common reason in Indian setting for the deficiency of iron. So, how do we ensure we have adequate amount of iron in our body? First and foremost, have a diet which is rich in iron. So, whether your simple diet which has curry leaves are rich in iron. You heard of this drumstick which is very cost effective way to replenish your iron. Nowadays even this drumstick leaves ka powder is also available. It's called as moringa leaves. Moringa leaves, moringa powder, moringa capsules nowadays are available. So, that is very rich in iron. Even jaggery is rich in iron. So, your dates, but dates nowadays contain lot of this sugar. So, that leads to another toxicity of sugar. So, dry dates which are not sugar coated are again good source of iron. But if you are in a teenage or you are in a reproductive age group or you are pregnant or you have given childbirth, please check your hemoglobin level. Or if you are experiencing a hair fall after the childbirth, check your hemoglobin as well as serum ferritin level and ensure you take iron supplements as prescribed by your physician. So, at least it needs 3 months of dosage. So, be consistent with your dosage. And many ask, how do we increase the better absorption of iron in our diet? So, I always say iron is better absorbed with vitamin C. So, taking vitamin C rich food items like whether it is lemon or orange along with iron tablet actually increases the absorption of iron from your supplements or from your diet. So, iron is very important. In our country, 1 in 3 actually women are very anemic, and it's a very simple way to know how to test whether you are anemic or not. It is just that you have to check your palpebral conjunctiva to see whether you have any pallor. If your palpebral conjunctiva is very light and it is not red enough, that means you are actually anemic.